everyone, it's me, Alegra. I thought it would be super fun today to do a Louis Vuitton unboxing. So I've never done one of these videos before, so I thought it'd be a lot of fun to unbox it and share with you beauties exactly what I got. So here it is right here. In the past, I always just open it as soon as I get it. I'm so excited, and I just never thought of doing an unboxing. So I'm really excited to try it out today, try out a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and I can show you guys exactly what is in this puppy right here. So I did wind up getting this for Christmas as a Christmas gift from my husband, but I figured I'd just unbox it with you guys. I did go with him and pick it out in store, so I was able to kind of try it out in store first, and he was there with me. So that's why I'm gonna be able to unbox it, because normally I do open all my Christmas gifts with him or my birthday presents with him, so that's why I normally don't do unboxings. But this was one present though that I did go with him. I did pick it out, so I figured I'd just, like I said, unbox it with you guys today. So now I can't bear to untie this tie here, so I'm just gonna slip it off of the top because I just can't. I just love to save these, and I'll just put this in my room, in my vanity somewhere. It's so adorable. It has the Louis Vuitton writing on it. So it's so beautiful. Too bad you could even wear it like a head tie, especially if you were a mate. If you had a little one, you could put it on the hair. So cute. So let me go ahead now. Here is the box that it comes in. I don't remember. Now, I got something like this before, and I don't remember it coming like this, because this is something that I have purchased before. So I don't remember it coming like this, but here we go. Let me go ahead and slide it open, slide it out, and here is this inside. So the tissue paper, so beautiful. Yeah, I have gotten one of these before, something similar, and I don't remember this, all of this. So this is really nice. So guys, what is it? Now, some of you might have seen this already, but here it is, guys. Do you guys know what this is? It's so gorgeous. When I saw it online, I literally was like, oh, I need that. It's so beautiful. So this is the Louis Vuitton perfume called California Dream, and oh my god, I'm so excited to try this. Now when I went in store, I saw the packaging. I saw this online, and I saw the packaging. Wait till you see the bottle if you haven't seen it already. And I was so blown away by how gorgeous it was. And when I got in store, the essay explained to me kind of the story behind it, and I was like, no wonder. I was literally like, I just gasped when I saw how beautiful this was online. So I'm gonna save this box too. This is so beautiful. Here it is. I'm just gonna open it up. And so my other one did not come in a box like this. It just came in a white box. So I'm definitely gonna save this box though, because it's so gorgeous. So, and then you just open the top. So here it is. Oh my god. Oh, so beautiful. And now I have not tried this on my skin, guys. So this was sort of a perfume blind buy, but not really, because I did smell a tester. I smelled it on the paper, but I didn't smell it on my body. So, and I think it's gonna smell totally different when it mixes in with your own body chemistry. So I can't wait to show you guys how gorgeous this is. And then I'll tell you the story behind it if you haven't. Okay, wait till you see how beautiful this is. So I hope you guys could see. Let me try to position it. Maybe you could see it better. But the bottle is actually blue, the same as the outer packaging. It's blue faded into pink. So I don't know if I can show it. There, kind of there, you can see it. It's like a sunset. So this was designed by Los Angeles artist Alex Israel, and a lot of his artwork focuses on the beautiful sky and the kind of the sunset and Sunset Boulevard in California, in Hollywood. So that's what he said he was inspired by. And they also have several purses and different items that he created with Louis Vuitton. So this is just one of them, but it is sort of, all of his artwork is sort of for the Louis Vuitton collection, is sort of similar. It's the pink and the blue, and it's just so gorgeous. Oh my god. Okay, now I gotta spray this on me, because like I said, I didn't get to try this on myself. Oh, I can't even smell it. I don't know why, but here we go. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my god, I'm so glad I got this, because there was another one and I couldn't decide which one to get. It was a rose base oud, and it was a purple, a dark purple bottle, and it smelled so good. It smelled very much like incense. This one smells so good. I noticed with the Louis Vuitton perfumes, they do dry down and smell, I feel like they smell completely different, a lot of them, than when you initially spray them. So you have to wait a moment to get the true effect, because a lot of them, I smell them and they smell one way, and then a few minutes later they totally transform into something else. So I'm gonna give this a moment to kind of mix in with my own body chemistry, but right off the bat, it's just a very kind of, it's very gorgeous. It's just a very unique, gorgeous scent. It's definitely has a clean essence to it. There was this perfume so long ago. I used to go to Los Angeles and I used to love to buy the perfume oils. They used to sell them at Fred Siegel, and I used to, oh, every time I went to Los Angeles, that was my #1 thing to go. And this is that kind of scent. It's like this, it smells like an oil. I don't know how to say it. It smells very slightly citrus, but also very warms down. It dries down very creamy. So this does start off with kind of a citrus essence, but then it's also very fruity, and then it dries down into a musky scent. So it is just everything. It smells so incredible. So a lot of people do describe this as a great summer fragrance, but I personally feel like this could be like my signature scent now, because I love how it is fruity when it first hits you, and I love a fruity scent, but then it does dry down musky, and I also love musky scents. So it's a perfect combination for me of the best of both worlds. It does totally remind me of Los Angeles, and just because it is extremely similar to this oil that I used to buy there, so it just makes me think of that. It brings me back to that, and it just, oh my god, I believe it was the oil Child. I don't know if they still make it. I actually have to look it up. But have you guys, any of you guys, ever smelled Child? I used to wear that, and I used to get people used to just stop me constantly and ask me what I'm wearing. And it reminds me of that so much. It does smell very, very similar to Child. So I love this. I'm so happy. And I found out that you can get the bottles refilled, and it winds up coming down in price at about $100. So I believe this was $275, but if you get refills in the future and you just bring your bottle in, only to select Louis Vuittons though, they'll refill it for, it's about $100 less in price. So I can definitely, because I love this bottle so much, I can't wait to put this on my vanity. I can't wait to wear this in the summer. I can't wait to wear this. This is definitely, I feel like this is my new #1 scent, and I'm really happy because I love having a scent that just makes me feel so good. But I'm addicted to scent, to be honest. So a lot of times I do get different scents and I love them. This one, I have to say though, I just feel so, I really feel like this is my new signature scent. And I normally don't say that. I have said I love scents the most and this and the other, but a signature scent, I have never had that feeling before. And I do love how this smells very clean. And I personally love scents that make me feel very clean, that smell clean. So I am so happy. This was such a great purchase. I'm so happy. My husband, like I said, my husband did purchase this for me for Christmas. So I can't wait to go tell him how much he thinks that I already was flipping out in the store when I saw just the bottle. So he doesn't realize though. And I did smell the card, but this is my first time smelling it on my body. But he's not into all that, but I'm very happy. So he's just like, he forgot. He's like long and forgot about this. But I could not be more happier. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in I do have the Louis Vuitton perfume case. So I'm going to go ahead and put it inside. I'm almost through my other Louis Vuitton perfume. So, but this one I'm definitely going to put on my vanity on display. But for now, I'm just going to put it in here. And when I travel, I definitely want to travel and keep it in here because I definitely want to keep this with me all the time. So to be honest, my other Louis Vuitton perfume, I'm not that crazy. I love it. It smells very clean. It smells almost like Johnson & Johnson's to me, baby shampoo. So I really love it. I believe I have the Apogee fragrance, but this one I'm like, but this one is everything. So this one I definitely want to make sure it's safe and sound in the case when I travel. So I thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with us today and doing a little Louis Vuitton unboxing. I'm gonna try to remember now in the future to unbox everything with you guys. It's so much fun. That was so much fun. So I definitely want to do that again in the future. Like I said, normally I just get so excited. I just open it up right in the car or wherever I am as soon as I get it. But now I'll definitely want to share it with you beauties. So if you like today's video and if you like today's luxury unboxing, then definitely give me a thumbs up. And I hope you'll subscribe and stay in touch. I have lots of giveaways going on, lots more videos, lots more unboxings to come. So that's pretty much it. Thank you again so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I hope you guys are all doing good, and I will see you soon. Bye!